guys, it's me, Robin Kurian, and welcome to Run It with Robin. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button right now. I know you ain't got nothing else to do because we are all indoors, or at least I am. I've been in my apartment for like the past week and a half, going on almost 2 weeks, and it's crazy. Coronavirus, it's crazy. So today's video is gonna be totally different than what I normally do. I actually recently got the big chop. I cut my hair, and so today I'm gonna style my hair with you guys, and it's super easy. My hair was really long, guys. The longest it's ever been. When I was little, I actually had lice. Yeah, I was like that one Indian girl out of the line in school, and like the teacher was like, "You, come here." And yeah, I had lice, and so my mom always had my hair real short like a boy. And so this was the longest my hair has ever been. And I love long hair because you can do so much with it. You can braid it, you could style it so many different ways. However, my hair got really unhealthy. Like every time I went to Chinatown, because I used to get my hair done in Chinatown, the stylist would always be like, you need conditioner. Because it was like really dry. So I just decided, you know what? It's a new year. Let's just do a whole new look. And I figure, listen, if I don't like it, I'm Indian. My hair grows really fast, Indian hair is on a lot of weaves. So I'm all right. I'll be okay. But I actually really like this style. I love it short. It's super easy to do too. All you guys need, guys, just 3 easy tools. You need a medium to large round brush. You also need a blow dryer. And if you want to put in some curls, which I want to do today, you need a curling iron. So come on, let's get this show on the road. Well, there you have it. This is the look. Do you like? I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's really simple, guys. And yeah, this is like literally, what, 30, 40 minutes maybe? I don't even know. The 2 things that I did use, which I forgot to mention in the video, is I used 2 products. This is the Cream Whip by Arojo. I don't know if you can really see it. It's a weightless conditioning cream, and it silkens and it's smooth, so it really helps with like frizzy hair. You know how sometimes your hair, when you're drying it, it can get really frizzy. And then afterwards, I use this really dope product by Amica. It's called the Shield, and it helps with anti-humidity. It's basically an anti-humidity spray. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll put it in the description below as well so you can check it out. But yeah, these are just like the 2 products that I use. Sometimes I do put a little hairspray because I do get a lot of flyaways when I get like a fresh blowout, but right now it's looking pretty good to me. And so yeah, this is it, guys. And comment below. Let me know what you think about this new do, all right? Do you want to see it long again, or do you like it short? I want to know. So, guys, stay safe and seriously, stay indoors. Don't be going out. We want to fight this COVID-19 virus. We want to be able to go out. I want to be able to, interview different artists and cover special events in the city and show you guys all that good stuff. So, but in the meantime, take care, Netflix, listen to some good music, and be safe. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.